One of the earliest things you'll be asked to do in your chemistry class is learn some things about the periodic table. And one of those things that's pretty easy to get an idea of early on is the concept that these columns on the table are what we call groups, and they share certain properties going down that group, and then going across on the rows, we call these periods. And they have certain properties that occur periodically as we go across the rows, hence the name periods. So knowing those is going to be important, the concept that these are groups and periods. And then as we look across the periodic table, we can name some of these groups. So group 1 is, we call those the alkali metals. Group 2 we call our alkaline earth metals. This whole area in the middle, we call these our transition metals. They represent the transition between two separate sides of the periodic table. And then over here, we call these our noble gases. And that's because they, down this column, down this group, they like to, they do not like to react. So we can look at them as nobility. They're too fancy to react. And then here we have our halogens, and we will be using our halogens a lot throughout our chemistry courses. So taking some time to look at these, knowing our groups, that's a great first step before moving forward.